Howdy, I'm out here, and caught Shelly over here about to plant some potatoes. Figure I'll do a little filming on it. Come right out over here. Okay, what we do, we put some, well, what Shelly did, she put some cardboard down, and then we put some soil on top of it. We're gonna plant potatoes.
Then after we get the potatoes covered up, then we'll put real heavy straw on top of it. I've seen this on the internet, so I'm gonna try it. Got some Walmart seed potatoes, got a couple of them. And this is my first time. I come from potato country in Idaho, but to tell you the truth, I was never a farmer. I've been a city person all my life.
I should have brought my stand out here.
Anyway, it's not hard from what they're saying. If I can get this out of the package, started sprouting on me. 1 foot apart. Oh, well. Kind of shriveled up and dried up on me.
You didn't have to soak them or anything?
No, I'm going to soak them afterwards. But basically, you're just growing them. That's the nutrients they're going to get is from what I've laid down. There's no weeds. Well, right yet. The bird hasn't pooped the seed on me yet. But these are russets. A little different. Those are supposed to be a white potato. Aged.
They call it seed potatoes.
Yeah, they ain't much. All farmers do when they're out there is they take all the small potatoes that they're not saleable and they store them till the next year and replant them. But this will be the first time, and if it works out good, then I'll expand it. Maybe I'll put another piece in, because this is hard to mow right here.
That's one area I won't have to weed whack now.
That's it. So all I gotta do is just kind of push it down. Because all you really do with potatoes is you just keep pulling them up. Got that one a little close. Oh, we can go ahead and move it. Pretty easy. Well, we'll see. We'll keep you informed so that you can
Update it.
yeah, how things are going. But wow, what an easy method. And since I hate pulling weeds, I just like the end product.
So we can have potatoes tomorrow then?
110 days, I think.
Oh.
That's it. Pretty simple. I like it. A lot better than having to turn up the soil. We only got 1 3/4 bags.
And which is which? Let's see. That's the just done GMO tubers. Oh, they're also tubers.
You don't let them fool you on the GMO.
Where's the name of them at? Gold Rush. That's Gold Rush.
Okay.
And then that's White Superior.
Okay.
Now you know which one you planted which?
Well, the White Superior, first 5. And then the
So I
Gold
can
Rush.
mark it down on my phone.
Okay. Well, at least somebody's keeping up on this. I'll cover this real heavy with straw, and then I'll have Alan come back out and he can show you, and then he can keep you abreast of container gardening, our old garden.
There's our puppies.
I still got lots to do. I got to go through the trees. I got to pluck out all the peaches, pears, apples, so that they aren't overloading the limbs. You can only have three peaches on a limb, so kind of it'll be plenty for me to do. I'm lazy.
And this is our watermelon garden here. Tomato, bell pepper, sweet pepper, jalapeno, tomato. This is supposed to be lettuce. I haven't been doing anything yet. I think I'm gonna start them in a tray. While you at it, you want to dampen that down too?
Sure.
The lettuce.
I'll go run through them.
That's supposed to be my lettuce too.
I got some cucumbers I need to plant.
Uh-huh.
And maybe tomorrow I can get over there and plant some asparagus before it dries up and goes bad.
This is our cherry tomato. Oh yeah, I got slugs in my beer.
Absolutely, they'll come from 20 feet away to get in that beer.
Yeah.
They're the true alcoholics of the lower animal.
You can see these cherry tomato plants being eaten up. So I put some beer out here. Drown them. That cherry plant right there, I grew that from a cherry tomato that is set in a container overnight. Cucumber plants. Last year I grew cucumbers 21 inches long. I don't know how I'll do this year. And pepperoncinis. Getting all kinds of slugs. There go my beer. Hi puppies. Hi there. Hi there. Look pretty for the camera.
I never had it before.
Now we're gonna put straw down.
Yeah, like I was telling Alan, I don't know if this is Roundup Ready straw, so if it kills stuff, or yeah, we'll go with that. If it kills it, then we'll know. So hopefully not. What do we got going on here?
You got bands on it?
Yeah. Yeah, I need to cut that one. Put a new blade on the knife.
Do you?
Wow, it's sharp. Well, was for cardboard. And then we'll just put more straw on it as it needs. Come on.
Bark would probably leak on it.
I see Europeans when they do this.
Yeah.
It's different straw.
Huh.
Really nice. But I think it's already processed. You know?
Yeah.
I'll have to come back through and break it up probably better. Straw's got attention.
My watermelon plants are looking better. When I first planted them, they was like sickening looking. Pretty soon I'll be thinking about fertilizing stuff with Miracle-Gro.
Cool, man. Cool beans.
You got a pad down here too?
What?
You got a pad down there too.
Yeah, I know.
Now, first of all, this is not a paid advertisement. We bought everything with our own money. I'm not advertising for anybody, but this is the soil we used. We buy it the cheapest we can. And I hope you like this video. And now all we're going to do is water things down. I'm not going to start my fertilizing until the first of the month probably. We was having quite a bit of rain lately, so.
I see you.
So until next time, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe.